Hi guys, welcome back to the EaseUs channel. Is your SD card not showing up on Mac? Can't find your SD card in Disk Utility or Finder? If so, you can first reconnect your SD card and check if your SD card is showing in Disk Utility. If both methods fail, you can follow this video tutorial to learn how to fix the SD card not showing up or working or recognized on Mac. Method 1. Mount SD card to make it available. Step 1. Connect the SD card to the Mac computer, press the Command key and spacebar. Step 2. Type Disk Utility in the Spotlight search menu and press Return. Step 3. Select the SD card on the left pane and click Mount. Method 2. Run first aid to repair the SD card. Step 1. Open Disk Utility in the same way as mentioned and select the SD card. Step 2. Click First Aid. Then click Run to confirm and repair the SD card. Step 3. Click Done to finish the repair process. Now you can close Disk Utility and restart Mac. Method 3. Format SD card with Disk Utility. You need to pay attention that this method will erase all your data on the SD card, so you better back up your critical files before. Step 1. Open Disk Utility with Spotlight search. Step 2. Select the SD card on the left pane and click Erase on the top menu. Step 3. Click Erase to confirm the operation. What if you have accidentally formatted your SD card? This is the time when EaseUs Data Recovery Wizard for Mac shines. Follow the steps here. Step 1. Correctly connect your memory card to your Mac. Visit the official website of EaseUs and download EaseUs Data Recovery Wizard for Mac. You can locate your SD card once you have opened this software. Click Search for lost files to start scanning. Step 2. When the scanning is over, locate your SD card under the Path section. Step 3. Double-click the file you want to recover to preview, and then Recover to get your files back.